Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log someone out of your TikTok account. So sometimes you might actually give someone your TikTok account password to log into your TikTok account, maybe to help you do one or two things, then finally you decide to log them out, maybe because they are overstaying their welcome or you're just tired of them using your TikTok account. So how do you actually log out someone from your TikTok account? The first thing you have to do is you have to click on your TikTok app just like this, and what you need to do next, you have to click on your profile. This is my profile. So the next thing you have to do, you have to click on this three horizontal line you can see above your screen just like this, and you click on settings and privacy just like this. And the next thing you have to click on your security and permissions just like this, and you can see your devices. Click on it and you have to wait for it to load. Here you're going to see phones that your accounts have actually been logged into, and you just have to click on it to remove the account you don't want your account to actually be logged into. So these are the previous accounts I logged into. This is just how to remove. You click on this waste bin, click on it, and it's going to remove. So I've actually removed that phone from your account. So the next thing you have to do after doing that, you just have to go back and you have to click on accounts and click on password to actually change your password, so that even if the person tries to access it again, it won't work out. If these tips were helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.